Hello everybody, welcome to the IVA Show 2024, welcome to the Lionsteel booth. Today I want to show you together with my friend Arthur the Skinny, our new folder. We're back to the origin of Lionsteel with a solid knife, so integral piece of titanium milled from a unique block. We have carbon fiber inlays for the titanium variation and fat carbon inlays for the bronze and blue ones. Magna cut steel blade, stonewash finish. We have our featured removable flipper, so if you want you can unscrew it and use the nail groove, and the clip is reversible. It's a very light knife, very good for EDC carrying. Inside the box you find our U-tool. There's a T6 torque screwdriver, so you can remove the flipper, and the U-tool for the clip, to unscrew the clip. There are different variations in titanium, bronze and blue also, and then the aluminum family with the canvas inlay, with the stonewash blade, different colors handles, and black blades with black hardware. So there are two different families. This is the news for IVA Show, and hope you like it, hope you will enjoy it, and Arthur will test it for you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
All the
best.